Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can use different vocabulary words to improve the quality of your speaking or writing. So there are 5 words. You can see famous, enjoy, difference, dark and cry. So let's get started. The first word is famous, which means known by many people. So I have 5 examples. The actor is famous for his leading roles. Messi is famous footballer. Navjot Sidhu a famous politician. So the first word we can use is actor is well known, because well known means the person who is very known in the society or in the country, or what he has done. A lot of people know him. So we can say the actor is well known for his leading roles. And then next is famous footballer. So another better word for well known is renowned, who is famous, very well known, who is very famous. Even a better word than well known, like Messi is famous in all around the world, so we can say renowned. Navjot Sidhu is a famous politician, so we can say celebrated politician. Taj Mahal is a famous tourist spot in India, which is eminent. Any organization or a place which is famous is called eminent. And then Shakespeare is a famous author. Shakespeare means why he was famous? Because he writes something different from the other people. He was a distinguished author. He was known for his lot of novels, stories, fiction stories. So we can say distinguished author. So next is enjoy, to have a good time. Enjoy means to have a good time. So we can say I relished all the action scenes in the movie. I enjoy all the action scenes in the movie, which means relished. Enjoy is first form, so enjoyed. We can use relished second form. Another is I enjoy traveling to the new places. So we can say I luxuriate in traveling to new places. Another is we enjoy the food at the party. We savored the food at the party. Just don't run after money. Run to enjoy life. So you can use just don't run after money, because you can earn in later life. So you can say just don't run after money. Learn to appreciate life. What is going on, you can appreciate that, and you have to continue with that. So next is let's enjoy early morning sun rays. So everybody enjoy the early rays of the sun, which are very red, and especially in the winter days. So let's enjoy early morning sun rays. You can say let's bask in the early morning sun rays, because it affects our body. So we can say let's bask in the early morning sun rays. So next word is difference. There is a huge difference between them. So it can be difference of opinions, difference of their lifestyle. So mainly they are opposite to each other, right? So you can say there is a huge contrast between them. Forget all the difference and shake hand. So if two people have separate thoughts about each other, or they don't have things in common, so we can say forget all the disagreements and shake hands. There is a lot of difference between Windows and Apple operating system. So there is lot of dissimilarity. Similarity means similar, and dissimilarity means difference. There is a lot dissimilarity between Windows and Apple OS. So next is police found a lot of difference in their statement. When a police officer do the inquiry, he asks the question for different people in different rooms, so they can judge that their statement are same or not. So police found a lot of difference in their statement. You can use police found a lot of contradiction in their statements, which means both of the person were speaking differently, so their statements were not similar. You can say found a lot of contradiction in their statements. We found a huge difference when we tallied the accounts. So you can use we found a huge inequity. Equity means equal. So you can use inequity, not equal, when we tallied the account. Next word is dark. Why is the room dark? You can say why is the room unlit? Lit means light. If there is a light in the room is lit. And when there is no light, we can say the room is unlit. Every person has a dark side which they wish to forget. There are some kind of qualities or some memories in person's life which he want to forget and don't want to remember those days. So every person has a, we can say, shady side, which means a side which person do not want to show other people. Every person has a shady side which they wish to forget. He wore dark blue pants with a white shirt. So dark blue, we can say he wore deep blue pants. Deep blue means a color which is very dense, which means it is dark. So he wore deep blue pants with a white shirt. I don't like dark color on the wall. We can say I don't like dusky color on the wall. Means I want a light color. So we can say instead of dark, it's dusky. The dark weather made the afternoon seem like evening. The dismal weather, just like clouds make a dismal weather, made the afternoon seems like evening. Sometimes clouds just hide the sun and make the weather dismal. So next word is cry. Sometimes it's good to cry. We can say sometimes it's good to shed the tear. The next one is don't cry over the lost money, you can earn it again. You can say don't worry over the lost money, you can earn it again. The kid could not stop crying after he hurt his knee. So the kid, there should be N, not the E. So we can say stop whimpering after hurt his knee. The kid could not stop whimpering. He could not control his emotions and he started crying. So we can say whimpering. Whimper is a form, and because this is a continuous sentence, we are using ing. The kid could not stop whimpering after he hurt his knee. There is no need to cry like a baby. So you can say there is no need to blubber like a baby. So next word is she cried when she heard the story. She mourned. She mourned when she heard the story. So we can use these words. Please like and share if you like the video. Thank you.